I guess first of all like and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will start with the simple photo and turn it into clean sketching design. Click the import button, go to the gallery, select the picture, background remove, eraser color, enable button on, click the sticker, select the sticker, background remove, eraser color, enable button on, adjust the sticker, select the color option, click the nice option, enable button on, adjust the color, click the hue option, select the color. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.